In this question, A is given, B is given, this equation is given, this equation is given. We are asked to find value of 4x plus 5y. Squaring both sides, we get a square is equal to 18. Therefore, a will be equal to 18 to the power 1 by 2. Now, in this equation, in place of this a, we write 18 to the power 1 by 2. And now we apply this formula. Log m to the power k1 to the base a to the power k2 is equal to k1 by k2 log m to the base a. k1 is in the numerator, this k2 in power is in denominator. 5 by 4 in the numerator, 1 by 2 in the denominator. Now we apply this formula. Log a to the base a is equal to 1. Therefore, log 18 to the base 18 will be equal to 1. And value of 5 by 4 by 1 by 2 will be equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, now in this equation, in place of this logarithm, we will write now 5 by 2 here. B is equal to this, raising power 6 on both sides, we get b to the power 6 is equal to this, that is equal to this, that is equal to 1 by 1080. Therefore, b will be equal to 1 by 1080 to the power 1 by 6, that is equal to 1 by this. This can be written as 1080 to the power minus 1 by 6 because this is in the denominator. Therefore, we can write this by prefixing minus sign before 1 by 6. Now, value of this logarithm will be, in place of this b, we write this value of b. And now we apply this formula. 1 by 2 in the numerator minus 1 by 6 in the denominator. Now we apply this formula. When we apply this formula, value of log 1080 to the base 1080 will be 1, and 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 6 will be equal to minus 3. Therefore, value of this logarithm will be equal to minus 3. And now, in place of this, we will write minus 3. Multiplying both sides of this equation by 2, we get this equation, and we suppose this equation as equation number 1, and suppose this equation as equation number 2. Now, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get this minus this is equal to 5 minus 3. This gives value of 4x plus 5y is equal to 8. Value of 4x plus 5y is equal to 8.